Hello everybody, my name is Zayden from Reap What You Sow Gardening, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how, especially my friends from Deep South Homestead and Crazy Days and Scratch Made Homestead of course, how to create your own rain barrel or rain catchment or rain storage system. All I do is just take an old milk jug, or in this case purified, it says distilled water jug, and I put an old valve on here, but we're gonna turn this off. And then once I turn it off, I put this old can, and I call it the bell, but you guys are gonna be able to see this because I'm gonna flush this many times anyway. But you guys stay there while I fill up the tank. Oh, and I almost forgot. Look at that water. Comes down the holes. Comes right down those holes. Look at it go. And then you can see inside too. I want that full of water. And just speed things up. Yeah, now let's turn on the, you guys stay here when I turn on the valve. You see that? It's pumping that water right out, but there's a freaking leak right there. I'm gonna fix that stupid leak. In the next video, you'll see this thing fixed. Kind of disappointment that it's not working correctly, but look at all that water coming out. And it's filling up really fast. See, there's water. What? See that? Pumping out. I'll probably take this off and then put like a new piping tape on it. So look at that. It goes into the pit. And then you can save it. All that water. It's pumping out. It's flowing out. You can take all that water to the garden. Actually going to build up around the pit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a great contraption thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. That helps my channel out a lot. Thanks for watching, and grow, grow, grow.